Pope reappears after surgery, backs free universal health care.
Here's a summary of the article.
Rome, July 11. Pope Francis, seeming in good overall condition, appeared in public on Sunday for the first time since undergoing intestinal surgery a week ago and made a plea for free universal healthcare. It was a great joy to see the Pope again. His voice was a little shaky, but the Pope is always the Pope and we wanted to be here, said an Italian priest who identified himself as Father Massimiliano. In the mostly improvised part of his talk, Francis said good healthcare should be accessible to all and free. A health service that is free and guarantees good service accessible to all. This precious good should not be lost. It must be maintained and everyone should be committed to this. Because everyone needs it, he said. According to the World Health Organization, universal health coverage means that all have access to health services they need without financial hardship. Children with the Pope. Several children who were patients in the hospital appeared with the Pope on the balcony. On Saturday it said the Pope was continuing a normal recovery, gradually resuming work, walking and eating with aids, and that his blood tests were satisfactory.
This post received a score of 17,000, with an upvote ratio of 92%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
Lol, the wording makes it sound like he just has apparitions instead of walking to places.
Well, he did just have the surgery.
Yes, everyone else gets wheelchairs, Francis just apparates like a bows.
Smooth operator.
So it's not like he's backing countries getting it because damn near every country already has it, he's saying they have to fight to keep it. Meanwhile in the US.
In USA one is only as holy as they are wealthy.
A rich man will have an easier time riding their camel into heaven than a poor man riding the eye of the needle they can afford or something.
You just became a supply-side Jesus pioneer.
Meanwhile the list price for stitches is $93,000 at Stanford.
Few more years and it will be cheaper to go to medical school and give yourself stitches than pay out of pocket for them.
It's already way cheaper to buy a house in Norway, fly there, use private medical facilities there, and vacate for a few months before flying back home.
And here I am asking my boss if my company will respect a doctor-prescribed medical marijuana prescription because I refuse to take pills. Hint, they won't.
Ugh, fuck that. Marijuana saved me from an opiate addiction. Pills are the absolute worst when it comes to pain management.
I've never been addicted to opiates because I've witnessed firsthand what it does to people. I got ran over by a forklift, same company, literally pinned under a load. I got lucky, no broken bones, just a mean case of road rash. Refused all medication, called in the next day and my supervisor asked me, why?
Jesus Christ, what? Why? Forklift boss.
That's pretty much what I said, lol. You should see the pictures. Edit should also mention after having filled out the accident report they made me drive myself to the hospital, due to being short-handed, and to the drug test location after the hospital.
This sounds like something to sue over.
My ex-girlfriend was a lifeguard and at the pool there's this 25-foot-tall slide. She slipped down 3/4 of the metal stairs and after sitting down for 7 minutes the manager put her back to work because they were understaffed. She sprained her wrist and now has chronic back pain which forced her drop rowing for her high school. She held 6 records.
Jobs hate injured employees and workmen's comp cases. Cat bit almost completely through the webbing between 2 fingers. Manager refused to let me go to the doctor because I was the only one in the salon that night and the salon isn't allowed to be closed if the pet store is open. She trapped me in a corner and put hand sanitizer over the bite wound as my medical treatment. Doctor was pissed, found our district manager's information, and squealed on the manager.
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.